Ngayon naman, magdi-divide tayo ng polynomials gamit ang synthetic division. Okay, simulan na natin. Sa pagdi-divide gamit ang synthetic division, meron din tayong 6 na procedures. Una, ensure that the divisor is in x minus c form and the dividend is ordered by descending degrees of x. Number 2, write the problem in synthetic division form. Number 3, bring the first coefficient to the bottom row. Number 4, multiply the first coefficient by the divisor. Number 5, add the two numbers in the second column. And number 6, repeat the steps until you are done or until you obtain your remainder. Okay, so para mas maintindihan ulit natin, gumamit tayo ng isang example. So sa example natin, divide 3x raised to 4 minus 11x cubed plus 6x raised to 2 plus x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. So sabi dito, ensure that the divisor is in x minus c form. So ang divisor natin dito ay si x minus 3 and that is in the form of x minus c. So ang c natin dito ay equal sa positive 3. Okay, so ang degree natin ay nasa descending order din, kagaya ng pagdi-divide natin sa long division. Dapat sunod-sunod yan, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Ngayon, isulat na natin ang problem natin sa synthetic division form. At sa paggawa ng form na ito, ang kailangan lang natin ay coefficient ng bawat terms ng ating dividend. Okay? So, meron tayo 3, negative 11, positive 6, positive 1, and negative 3. Dito naman sa kabila, isusulat lang natin ang value ng ating c. Sabi natin kanina, ang c natin ay si positive 3. Or kung ang meron tayong divisor na x minus c, palitan lang natin ang sign nito. That would be positive 3. Okay, so maglagay tayo ng bar sa ibaba. Punta na tayo sa number 3 procedure natin. We have to bring the first coefficient to the bottom row. So, ang 3 na to ay ibababa natin dito. We have 3. And then, sa number 4 procedure, multiply the first coefficient by the divisor, or actually by c. C3, na ibinaba natin kanina, ay i-multiply natin kay 3. So, 3 times 3 is 9, at dito natin siya ilalagay sa tapat ni 11. Okay? And after that, we have to add according to number 5. Add the two numbers on the second column, si negative 11 plus positive 9 ay equal sa negative 2. Pagkatapos nating mag-add, yung nakuha nating sum ay i-multiply ulit natin sa ating c. So we have negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6. Ulitin natin yung procedure, i-add natin yung nasa column na ito. Positive 6 plus negative 6 is equal to 0. And then, balik pa rin tayo sa dati. 0 times positive 3 is equal to 0 and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 times positive 3 is equal to positive 3 and negative 3 plus positive 3 is equal to 0. Kung ang degree ng ating polynomial sa dividend ay 4, dun sa ating quotient, magsisimula tayo sa 3. Ito ang magiging coefficients ng ating final answer. We have 3, x raised to 3, magbabawas lang tayo ng isa, minus 2x squared, and we have plus 0x na hindi na natin ilalagay, plus 1. So, eto na ang ating quotient. Okay? Yung maiiwan dito sa dulo, yan ang ating remainder. Okay, gawa pa tayo ng isang example para mas maintindihan natin. Okay, so divide negative 4x plus 2x cubed plus 3 by x plus 2. Ganun ulit, kailangan muna nating i-arrange ang ating dividend according to its exponent. So, mauuna si 2x raised to 3. Wala ulit tayong x squared, so nagdagdag tayo ng 0x squared minus 4x plus 3. At isulat na natin sa ating division 4. Okay? So, meron tayo positive 2, 0, negative 4, and positive 3. At ang c natin, palitan lang natin ito ng sign, would be negative 2. Okay? So, lagay natin yung bar dito. The first thing to do is you have to bring down the first term or the first coefficient and then kailangan natin i-multiply. 2 times negative 2 ay equals sa negative 4. Pagkatapos, i-add na natin. 0 plus negative 4 is negative 4. Mas madali ang paggamit ng synthetic division kung hindi tayo sanay sa pagsusubtract. Sa long division, kailangan natin mag-subtract pero sa synthetic division, addition ang gamit natin. Negative 4 times negative 2 is equal to positive 8, and negative 4 plus positive 8 is equal to positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2 ay equal pa rin sa negative 8, and positive 3 plus negative 8 is equal to negative 5. So, ang naiwan sa dulo ay ang ating remainder. Ulitin natin. Pag isinulat natin ang variables, kailangan magsisimula tayo sa degree ng ating dividend minus 1. So, dahil x raised to 3 ito, magsisimula na tayo sa 2x raised to 2 minus 4x plus 4 minus ang ating remainder over yung ating divisor na x plus 2. So, ito na ang ating sagot. Ngayon naman, gamitin natin ang synthetic division sa special cases ng ating polynomials. So, sa example na to, we will divide 2x raised to 3 plus 5x squared minus 1 by 2x plus 1. Kung mapapansin natin sa example na ito, meron ng coefficient ang ating x, which is 2. Pero sabi sa ating step, kailangan daw ay si x minus c ang ating divisor. So, ang gagawin lang natin ay isusulat natin ito in terms of x minus c. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin matanggal si 2. Ang pinakamagandang paraan ay i-divide natin ang si 2x plus 1 sa coefficient natin na 2, and that is equal to 2x divided by 2 is x, and 1 divided by 2 is 1 half. Ngayon, ito na yung gagamitin nating divisor. Okay, subukan natin gawin. Kuhanin natin ang coefficients ng ating given. So, we have positive 2. Meron tayong positive 5. Pero dahil wala tayong x, and we have 3, 2, wala si 1, and 0, kailangan natin mag-insert ng 0 bago si negative 1. Ang divisor natin ngayon ay si x plus 1 half, kaya ang c natin ay si negative 1 half. Simulan na natin ang pag-compute. Ibaba natin si positive 2 and multiply positive 2 times negative 1 half, that is equal to negative 1. Then subtract 5 plus negative 1 is equal to positive 4. And multiply natin si positive 4 by negative 1 half, which is equal to negative 2. And then add 0 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 2. Ngayon, i-multiply natin si negative 2 by negative 1 half, that is equal to positive 1. And negative 1 plus positive 1 is equal to 0. Pero, tandaan natin na nag-divide tayo ng positive 2 sa ating divisor. At kung gagawin natin yan, kailangan mag-divide din tayo ng positive 2 dito sa ating dividend. Pero dahil hindi natin ginawa kanina, kailangan natin siyang gawin sa naging quotient natin. So, si 2, 4, negative 2 at 0, ay kailangan natin i-divide sa positive 2. So, meron tayong 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is positive 2, and negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. So, ang magiging final answer natin ay, we have x raised to 2 plus 2x minus 1. Ngayon, punta tayo sa kasunod na example. Magsasolve ulit tayo ng ibang cases na paggagamitan natin ng synthetic division. So, divide x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed plus 8x squared minus 2x plus 3 by x squared minus 2. So, sa case na ito, hindi na x minus c ang ating divisor. Meron tayong divisor ni x squared minus 2. Or pwede nating isulat yan as x squared minus 0x minus 2. So, paano natin gagamitin ang synthetic division sa pag-compute nito? Okay? Halos kapareho lang siya ng mga nauna nating examples. So, ang gagawin lang natin, isulat natin ang coefficients ng ating dividend. Siguraduhin magkakasunod ang exponent. So, we have positive 1, negative 3, positive 2, positive 8, negative 2, and positive 3. So, ang magiging divisor natin ay si 0. Kuhanin natin si 0. And palitan natin si sign ng negative 2, we have positive 2. So, simulan na natin ang pag-compute. Kailangan muna natin i-bring down si 1. And then we have to multiply. 1 times 0 is equal to 0. Ilalagay natin ito sa tapat ni negative 3. Pero si 1 ay kailangan din natin i-multiply sa 2. So, we have 1 times 2 is equal to positive 2 at ilalagay natin sa kasunod pang column. After that, kailangan natin i-add yung pangalawang column natin. We have negative 3 plus 0 is equal to negative 3. Si negative 3 ay i-multiply ulit natin sa ating divisor. Negative 3 times 0 is 0 na ilalagay natin sa tapat ng kasunod na column. And negative 3 times positive 2 ay negative 6 na ilalagay naman natin sa kasunod pang column. So this is negative 6. I-add natin ang kasunod na column sa column ni negative 3. So we have 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now, we will multiply 4. 4 times 0 is equal to 0. And 4 times 2 is equal to positive 8. Ilalagay ulit natin dito sa kabila. And then add 8 plus negative 6 is equal to positive 2. Multiply ulit natin. 2 times 0 is equal to 0. And 2 times positive 2 is equal to positive 4. Ngayon at dahil naabot na natin yung dulo, i-add na lang natin ang mga kasunod. So we have negative 2 plus 8 is equal to positive 6 at positive 3 plus positive 4 ay equal sa positive 7. Yung dalawang dulo natin dito ang magsisilbi nating remainders. Okay, paano naman natin lalagyan yan ng ating variables? Kung papansin natin, ang dividend natin ay raised to 5 at ang divisor natin ay raised to 2. Pag i-divide natin ang first terms nila, subtract natin ang exponent. So, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Kaya, sa final answer natin, ang ating variables ay magsisimula sa x raised to 3 minus, we have 3x squared plus 4x plus 2 plus our remainder, 6x plus 7 over the divisor, x squared minus 2. Magbigay pa tayo ng panibagong example. We have x raised to 5 minus 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 8x minus 3 by x squared minus 2x plus 1. So, ganun pa rin ang proseso natin. Kailangan muna nating isulat ang coefficients at siguraduhin magkakasunod ang exponent. Okay, so let's begin. We have positive 1, negative 2, positive 3, negative 7, positive 8, and negative 3. So, dito sa divisor natin, palitan lang natin ang sign, si coefficient ng x. Negative 2 would be positive 2, and we have positive 1 would be negative 1. Okay, so let's begin. Now we have, bring down 1. 1 times positive 2 is positive 2. Sulat natin dito sa tapat ni negative 2. And 1 times negative 1 is equal to negative 1. I-add ulit natin yung magkatapat na column. Negative 2 plus positive 2 is 0. At gagamitin ulit natin si 0 pang multiply sa divisor. 0 times 2 is 0, and 0 times negative 1 is 0. Ngayon, i-add ulit natin ang kasunod na column. Positive 3 plus negative 1 is equal to positive 2. Positive 2 times positive 2 is positive 4, and positive 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. I-add ulit ang kasunod na columns. Negative 7 plus 4 is equal to negative 3. Multiply ulit. Negative 3 times 2 is equal to negative 6. And negative 3 times negative 1 is equal to positive 3. Ngayon, i-add ulit natin yung mga natira dahil na-reach na natin ang dulo. So, we have positive 8 minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. And negative 3 plus positive 3 is equal to 0. At dahil 0 yung dalawang dulo natin, wala ulit tayong remainder. And now, let's go to our final answer. Lagyan lang natin ng variables at tandaan. We have to subtract the exponent of the first term ng dividend minus the exponent of the first term ng ating divisor. So, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, we have x raised to 3. Wala tayong x raised to 2. So, we have plus 2x minus 3. And that would be our quotient.